Hi, my name is Dimitri and today I'll show you how to track time with Clockify and other web apps you use for work, like a calendar, apps for project management, mail, and so on. I'll also show you how everything works. Let's get started. When you're logged into your Clockify account, go to the Workspace settings, and then click on the Integrations tab. Here you'll see all the available Clockify integrations. Some are deeper integrations, which allow you to directly sync data between the apps. For example, QuickBooks Time allows you to sync users and customers, and then send time entries directly from Clockify to QuickBooks. The Jira integration allows you to track time in Jira, manually or via timer, and create projects, tasks, and tags from Jira in Clockify. And the Google and Outlook calendars allow you to sync them with your Clockify calendar. This way you have every scheduled event or meeting in one place. Now you can directly log them as time entries. However, the majority of Clockify's integrations are for time tracking, and they work through a browser extension add-on, which is available for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Let's see how the integrations via the extension work. The browser extension also allows you to track time on different tools and apps you use on the web. For example, you can track time on documents in Google Docs, managing Gmail, To-Dos in Plakey, and more. You can see the most prominent integrations on our website. To get the timer button to appear on those apps, install the Clockify extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, log in, and then the button will appear. Let's take Plakey as an example, a popular app for managing projects. When you open a Plakey card, you'll notice Clockify's timer button. By clicking on it, the extension icon will turn blue, which means the timer's running. The extension will automatically pick up your task, description, and project, and you'll see a pop-up for entering more details about the entry. You can also start the timer for specific activities by highlighting the text, right-clicking on it, and then choosing the Start Timer with Description option. The Clockify extension will automatically pick up the highlighted text, and the timer will start ticking. In Settings, you can find additional ways to customize the extension for your needs. Click on the menu icon in the upper right corner and choose Settings. You'll see multiple setting options, but we're going to go over the important ones when it comes to tracking time inside other apps. The first one is the option for the extension to create projects, tasks, and tags. When this option is enabled, the extension will automatically fill in information for a project or a task if there's a matching name in the app. If there's no project or task and you have the permission to create one, a new one will be created and selected in the extension. To control who has permission to create new projects, tasks, and tags via the extension, go to the Clockify Web Workspace settings and then to the Permissions tab. Here you'll find options to change who has permissions for creating new projects, tasks, and tags. What the extension picks up depends on the specific integrations. So for example, tasks and projects can be created from Asana. GitLab will also pick up tags, but Gmail won't do anything except pick up the description. Append the website URL allows you to automatically paste the link of the page you're on to the description field. The Show Post Start pop-up controls whether the pop-up will appear after you start the timer via the Start Timer button. If it is enabled, the pop-up will appear and you'll be able to add a project and edit other information about the time entry. If disabled, nothing will appear, but the timer will still run. If the context menu is enabled, you'll be able to select any text from the tab you're working on. Right-click on it, and then start the Clockify timer with the selected text as a description of an entry. In addition, you can also enable dark mode for the extension, if you prefer it that way. For additional extension settings, you can check out our browser extension tutorial. To see a full list of integrations, open the extension, click on the menu icon in the upper right corner, and then click on the Integrations button, and you'll jump to this integrations list. The browser is open sourced, so you can create new integrations or improve existing ones. Here you can check the integrations you'd like to use Clockify's timer on, or uncheck the ones you don't. In case you're using a self-hosted version of some app, you'll need to scroll down on the integrations list, enter your domain, select the app, and click Add. Another way to add more functionality to Clockify without using other apps is to develop customized add-ons on the Clockify marketplace. If you're a developer, you can find specific guidelines for the add-on development process, or you can explore the currently available add-ons and install them for your workspace. That's about it for tracking time on other apps with Clockify. Check out our other videos for a more in-depth dive into specific integrations. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.